In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hobby Lobby gift card balance. Whether you're planning a shopping spree or just curious about how much is left, knowing your balance is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. This can be any browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Opening a browser is your gateway to accessing the internet, where you will find all the tools you need for this task. Next, go to the Hobby Lobby gift cards page. You can do this by typing in the address bar, hobbylobby.com, then navigate to the gift cards section. This page is specifically designed to help you manage and check your gift card details. Finding the right page ensures that you are getting accurate information directly from Hobby Lobby. Once you are on the gift cards page, look for the option that says Check Balance. It's typically easy to find, often highlighted or in a prominent spot. Clicking Check Balance is essential because it takes you to the page where you can securely enter your card information. Now enter your gift card number. This number is usually found on the back of your card. It's important to enter it carefully to ensure there are no errors. The gift card number is how the system identifies your specific card, so accuracy here is key. Following that, enter your PIN. The PIN is also on the back of your card, often under a scratch-off area. This step is important because the PIN acts as a security measure, verifying that you are the rightful user of the card. Next up, click Check Balance again. Once you've entered both the gift card number and the PIN, this action will process your request. After clicking, the system will quickly retrieve your gift card details. At this point, view your remaining balance. The balance should appear on the screen, showing you exactly how much is left on your card. This confirmation gives you a clear understanding of your purchasing power at Hobby Lobby. Checking your balance online is not just convenient, but also a secure way to manage your gift card. It ensures you're always in the know before you make your next purchase. Now, with your balance information ready, you're prepared to shop or plan your next visit to Hobby Lobby with confidence. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance can prevent any surprises at checkout. It's a simple step that can save you time and hassle later on. And there you have it, a straightforward process to check your Hobby Lobby gift card balance. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!